Hello, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a gingerbread man. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and some coloring supplies. Now, let's get right on in to drawing. To draw this, we're going to be starting from the top and working our way to the bottom, then adding in all the details at the end. So, starting with the head, I'm going to draw an upside down U shape, so a curved line as big as you want the head of your gingerbread man. Now to draw the arms, I'm going to go here at the bottom and extend it out like that. Same on the other side. Go down and out. From there, we're going to make the edge of the arms, so a little curve, so a C shape almost. And then on the other side, an opposite, backward C. Now I'm going to continue those lines extending in, so that it's about at the same point that this point is. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Now to draw the legs, I'm going to go from the point here and extend down and out on a diagonal. Then, like before, a curve. Now the same on the other side, a diagonal line down and out, and a curve. Now, if you mess up your lines a little bit or they're a little wobbly, that's fine, because remember, this is a gingerbread cookie, so it might be a little crumbly. Now to extend this up on both sides to connect. And just like that, we have the basic shape of our gingerbread man. Now, you can decorate this however you want. I'm just going to be doing a basic design today, though. So on each limb, I'm going to draw a little curved line, just like that, and then the same one above it. So this is a little icing stripe to show that there's decoration here. And this is a fairly common design. I'm going to do the same on the arms. And then, like I said before, you can decorate this however you want. If you find this a little bit simple, you can add more lines, or you can draw little hands, whatever you want. Now, time for the face. I'm going to draw 2 circles, then line up, and then curve it back around so it looks like it's made out of icing. Finally, I'm going to make little buttons by just doing 3 little circles down. And just like that, this is our gingerbread man. Now, you can color this or you can leave it just like this. Now, here's how I'll be coloring mine. I'm going to be using 3 colored pencils: green, brown, and red. So for this, I'm going to be using the brown to color in the main part of the cookie, and then just using red and green to color in the icing. Now, I'm going to be fast forwarding this, but you can pause the video and color in, taking your time. Perfect. Now, you can leave your drawing just like this, and I'm sure it looks amazing. And you can send me your pictures at joss'skidsdraw@gmail.com, and also include what suggestions you have for future videos. However, you can also do some shading. So I'm just going to take a darker brown and go around all of our icing so that it looks like it's on top of the cookie. Now this is all of the shading I'm going to be doing today. It's very simple, but it does take your drawing up to another level because it looks more three-dimensional. And although it still looks cartoony, because that's the style we were going for, it does look a little more realistic or 3D and not just flat. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully you tune in next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.